What up guys, this is your boy PGYTECH and welcome back to another dose of tech. Today we are going to discuss about what must-have accessories you should have for your action camera. And I'm talking about GoPros, Osmo Pocket, GoPro Max, all your action cameras and many others. Let's get right into it, shall we? Alright guys, this will be a quick video talking about the best suction cup out there. Today we'll be taking a look at the PGYTECH Suction Cup. Let's get right into the unboxing, shall we? One of the first suction cup I got was the Joby Suction Cup. And this thing sticks to any glass surface or to the side of your car like a crazy girlfriend. Very strong. It comes with this adjustable arm, but I have found that when you are going at high speed or uneven surfaces, it shakes and it's unstable. What gives its flexibility, it is also itself a con because of the vibration. Until I came across with the PGYTECH Suction Cup. This suction cup is made of alloy aluminum and it feels very steady. It has this double ball structure. Both are able to rotate 360 degrees of adjustment, so you can put your camera in any angle. Also, I love the compact size when you are storing it away. It comes with this quick release system to transfer to other mounts fast and easy. I will show you some shots about this PGYTECH and things you can do with it. If you would like to purchase this product, I will leave the link in the description down below. As always, if you enjoy this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay notified when I release new videos. This helps my channel grow. Comment down below if you have any questions and smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.